Can you introduce yourself?
Okay. Good day, sir, ma'am. I am Jean. I am 34 years old, single. I have 2 brothers. I have 2 sisters. I am the first one in the family. My father is a retired government employee. My mother is a housewife.
Okay.
I've been in college for 2 years, taking up Bachelor of Elementary Education. I worked before in Hong Kong for 3 years. I taking care of small children ages 3 years old. And my duties and responsibilities there are cleaning the house, ironing, marketing, teaching the children homework, and playing with him.
Oh, okay. So I learned that you have to also work in Taiwan and Kuwait, right?
Yeah.
So how long you have to work in Taiwan?
I work in Taiwan for 2 years, finished contract with my employer.
Yeah. How many children they have?
They have 2 daughters, ages 3 years old and 9 months old baby.
And 9 months old baby.
Yeah.
Okay. So how about in Kuwait? How long you have to work there?
I worked there for 6 years.
Yeah. And how many children they have?
They have 1 children.
They have 1 child?
1 child, yeah.
Yeah. And how old was the child?
The child was 3 years old.
Or 3 years old?
Yeah.
What are the most important things to take care of the children?
First thing, cook, give food to them, play with them, love them, show your love and care to them, teach them their homework, teach good manners and the right conduct, and respect them also as a children.
Okay. If your employer they are not at home and the child gets sick, what will you do?
The first thing I'm gonna do I will inform my employer. I will call them and wait for their advice what I'm going to do.
Okay, if you go out with the child and he doesn't like you to hold his hand and like to running around, so what will you do to avoid an accident?
The first thing I'm going to do, I will explain to the child that his doing is not good. I must tell him that he must listen to me for his own good. Otherwise, we cannot avoid accident because it's my responsibilities to take care of them.
Okay, how do you discipline your employer child when he is naughty?
When he is naughty, slowly, I will talk to them. I will teach them good manners and right conduct, and he must listen to me so that her parents will be happy if he's not naughty anymore. And I will show my love to them so that they will love me also.
Okay, good. So, do you know how to cook the Chinese food?
Yeah, I learned simple Chinese food, but almost long time ago I didn't cook Chinese food. But simple Chinese soup I can cook.
You can handle it.
Yeah, I can handle it.
Oh, okay. So you if your employer gives you the money for marketing, so how you would handle the money?
First thing I will do, I will ask my employer to make cheap, less for me what I'm going to buy in the market, and if there is a chance, I will give back to my employer.
How can you keep a good relationship with your employer?
I will show to my employer I am a hardworking, obedient, honest, and I show my love and care to them so that they will love me also. And then I will do my best to take care of their children, and show to them that they will not regret to take me as their helper.
Okay. If the next house of your employer is on fire, so how you would protect the children?
First thing, I will protect the children. I let them to go down using the fire exit.
Okay. How to go down? You take a lift?
No, I will use the fire exit.
Yeah, cannot, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Why you just work in Hong Kong only for 3 years only?
The reason is, since the handover of Hong Kong to China, my sir lost his job. And that time, the child is already grown up. He is 6 years old, so they don't need my service anymore. So I decided to go home because after 3 years, I didn't go home to Philippines.
Oh, okay. So if you are cooking in the kitchen and your employer call your name and ask you to go out to buy something, so what will you do?
The very first thing I'm going to do, I will switch off the gas stove and all the electric appliances, and then I bring the key with me. I will lock the door and I bring the key with me.
Okay, are you afraid of the dog and cats?
No, not so.
If your day off is not on Sunday, is it okay for you?
No problem for me.
Okay, good, thank you.
Thank you so much.